Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making broccoli cauliflower salad. For this easy recipe, we need 2 heads of broccoli, 1 head of cauliflower, 1 onion, a package of bacon bits. This is a 2.5 ounce package, 2/3 of cup of sunflower seeds, half a cup of raisins, and ranch dressing. So super simple ingredients, no need to cook anything. We're just going to chop our vegetables and assemble a salad, and then it'll be ready, and it's so good. So I already washed the broccoli and cauliflower before making the video, and I'll start by separating the broccoli into florets and then chopping them into very small pieces. So we don't use the stems for this recipe, we just need the florets. And just chop them really small. And repeat with the remaining broccoli. And now I'll do the same thing with cauliflower. So we need cauliflower florets, no stems. So let me separate it into florets. And now I'll be doing the same thing, just chopping it into very small pieces. So I chopped the head of cauliflower into very small pieces. So let's add it to the broccoli. And next I'm going to peel and chop the onion. So also chop it in very small pieces. And now let's add the onion to the salad. So now the rest is super easy. We just add the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to add the whole package of bacon bits. And now I'm going to add 2/3 of cup of sunflower seeds. Half a cup of raisins, and the raisins are totally optional. You can leave them out if you don't like them. I love them. They really add nice sweetness to the salad. So good. And now we're going to add the dressing. So let me just toss it a little bit without the dressing to just kind of redistribute the ingredients. And I'm going to add 3/4 of cup of ranch. I'll mix it together. And a dressing, you can always use less or more depending on how much dressing you like. So just feel free to adjust it to your taste. So now the salad is fully mixed and it's ready. So you can try it and see if you need any more seasonings. If you'd like, you can add salt and pepper, but I find that unnecessary because the bacon bits are already salty and the ranch dressing is already seasoned. So this is good enough for me, but if you'd like more seasonings, just add them to taste. So this is awesome. Look how good it looks. It makes such a big portion of the salad, and this is always a hit at summer gatherings, parties, and potlucks. So easy to make. It's so good. So now let's try it. I'll just put some here on my plate. Mmm. It's so crunchy, so good. Crunchy broccoli and cauliflower with a creamy dressing and tasty bacon bits, sunflower seeds, and raisins. This is amazing. This is a great combination. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!